Maybe.
You see this?
Whoa!
So the force we're reading on that guy right now, just at that part of the magnet, is close to 300, 280?
Yeah, pretty good. Let's see what we can get.
That guy.
No.
400 now.
And it's going to attach itself to the board.
Any second it's going to start dropping, yeah. Gravity will just do enough.
There it
There
goes.
it goes. Oh, that's almost 600.
Now, it is giving us a reading of
500.
500 pounds. Whew. $50, $560.
Whoa.
Ooh. We are at 700.
It's a menacing sound.
Yeah.
700 pounds.
Oh, it's about
Oh, oh. And we have jumped to 1300.
yeah, that's exactly right.
Yeah, we have
Well, the
jumped.
most magnetic stuff is right here, still on top of the chair.
Whoa.
So
I
we're
mean,
just about to hit the sweet spot.
The
Keep going.
wheel is sitting.
Whoa!
Baby!
There we go.
Oh my god.
What do we got now? No, look at it, 1700 pounds.
We are at 1700, which is far more than this thing.
Are you just relaxing it now?
Yeah.
Okay, so the there it goes. Oh, 1800.
1800.
It's past 2000.
Crap.
Oh,
No, we're gonna.
there you go.
This